Hello everyone, I am doing a tutorial on how to wall hop on mobile in Cake Factory. First, you need to place a spray right here, like what I'm gonna do right now, like this. For PC players, I think the when button you need to press to skate or jump is the jump button or the space bar. But for us mobile players, we're gonna use the sprint button, like this. First, align yourself here, then jump, jump, jump. See that, guys? I came from here to here. So, if you got that, you can also do this. See this cursor spray here? I'ma teach you how to get there, like this. And jump there. See that, guys? Did you see that? If you want to play it in slow motion, you can. And just do this. There. Oh no, my first spray. Oh, wrong way. Sorry. Okay, this guys. For all the Veronica players, I think this might be hard for you guys. I also learned how to wall hop like within a day. It's because I'm a fast learner. By the way, you can bump from here because there's right here. You can bump upwards. You can bump down. And you can wall hop. See? I went from point A to point B. Guys, if you understood that, thank you so much for watching.